In this video, we will discuss the 5 best tool belts on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Bucket Boss 3-Bag Tool Belt. Carry all the necessary tools with this tool belt from Bucket Boss, which boasts 29 pockets with numerous large and medium-sized pouches, which is more than most framers' rigs. It features 3 large pockets, each with enough space to carry a framer's square, a box of drill bits, a screwdriver, a set of pliers, and other hand tools. Its medium-sized pockets provide room for tape measures, plumb bobs, and boxes of nails or screws. All pockets are barrel-bottomed for maximum capacity. Having room for so much gear wouldn't make much difference if this belt didn't fit snugly and securely. Thick padding on the shoulder straps and inside the belt provides plenty of cushioning for comfort. Large metal grommets on the belt with a steel slide buckle allow for easy belt adjustments to achieve a snug fit around the hips. This tool belt fits waist sizes up to 52 inches. Number 2. Dickies 5-Pocket Single-Side Tool Belt. With 5 pockets, Dickies tool belt provides ample space for a hammer, screwdriver, pliers, tape measure, and perhaps a few nails. Its single-side design lets wearers move freely without pockets banging against their thighs. Workers may wear it apron style with the pockets at the front or twisted around to buckle it at the front or side and change the location of the fixed pockets. Constructed of heavyweight canvas, this belt stands up to rugged use. Pockets reinforced with webbing provide extra durability. This apron tool belt should see dyers through simple fix-it projects for many years. It adjusts to fit waist from 32 to 52 inches. Number 3.
Custom Leathercraft Suede Tool Belt. DIY users and professionals don't always need to carry around a whole toolbox on their belt, often needing only a handful of tools to tackle a couple of jobs. Custom Leathercraft's compact tool belt keeps these types of workers in mind. It features a loop for a hammer or square 2 deep pockets for nails and measuring tape clip, and a smaller pocket for a pencil, screwdriver, or other thin tools. The belt itself comes in heavy polyester with rugged suede pockets and a quick-release buckle for easy on and off. This affordable Carpenter's tool belt fits waist from 29 to 46 inches.
Number 4. DeWalt Framers Combo Apron. With its comfortable design, numerous pockets for organization, and sturdy construction, this framer's tool belt from DeWalt, one of the top tool manufacturers in the business, makes a fine pick. Organization is crucial for a functional tool belt, and this model doesn't disappoint. This belt boasts 20 pockets, including 7 main pockets for pliers, squares, clamps, and other hand tools. Numerous smaller pockets and sleeves make room for nails, pencils, and miscellaneous hardware. A separate zipper pouch stores valuables, such as keys, while a metal front clip holds a hammer. With suspenders and a belt that features dense padding for the shoulders and hips, this belt won't shift or create uncomfortable pressure points as the day wears on. A wide adjustment range on the suspenders and a belt that fits waist from 29 to 46 inches make this a suitable choice for a variety of body sizes.
Number 5.
Geboor Gardening Tool Belt. Geboor's garden tool belt works just right for those times when only a few chores remain around the garden, so there's no need for a whole bunch of gear. Washable light Oxford fabric shrugs off dirt and provides good resistance against wear and tear. 5 front pockets include a variety of sizes, a lanyard clip, and a drawstring. 2 back pockets provide space for a phone, notebook, or other small, flat item. A quick release clip makes the whole thing easy to put on and take off, and it comes in a choice of black or green.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.